Boys and Girls Club of Allentown, the mission is to inspire all the generations that come through our door to thrive and grow in their environments that we create around them. So we are creating mentors in this space. We are offering them all types of outlets, from athletics to education to mental health aspects, where they can really learn and thrive in the environments that they walk into.
Preventive Measures Foundation, our mission is to provide mental health awareness, support, and education in the communities we serve. We want to be the conduit for awareness, education, and financial support.
The mental wellness of our youth is super important for the foundation of this community. I think when we talk about creating whole individuals that are able to manage how they feel, are able to work in healthy relationships, they have to have that foundation of strong mental health.
Investing into youth really is investing into our future. Our impact on our youth today really create who our adults are in the future. I know for a fact that so many youth depend on the extracurricular activities that go on here.
From day one, Preventive Measures came in and they reviewed our facility to make sure that, one, it was safe for our kids, to make sure that they had the parameters in place that would provide overall experience for them. They bring in phenomenal individuals that come and work one-on-one, that work in group settings with our students after school. They're able to talk about some of those hard things. A lot of our young ladies are dealing with body image. A lot of our young men are dealing with, do they go to the streets for advice? Do they come here? And to be able to have a sounding board or those group conversations in a safe space made it invaluable.
My vision for wellness is having the information to make good decisions. Our communities, especially our urban communities, are faced with just not having exposure to information and support that even gives them the ability to make a good decision. Preventive Measures, and I know the Boys and Girls Club together are trying to position the youth that we serve to where they can make good decisions in their day-to-day lives, and having information and exposure, resources and support to do that. It feels great to be back at the Boys and Girls Club of Allentown. I remember very vividly the good times that I had with my peers, whether it was wrestling, playing basketball, swimming. It feels great to see it's under great leadership. It's just awesome to be able to have this partnership.
This is a full circle moment to have an alumni come back through our doors and offer such a valuable experience for our children. I can't put a number to that. We are overjoyed to have Dwayne back behind the blue doors. We are overjoyed to bring Preventive Measures and the staff and the expertise that they bring to mental health back to our children here in Allentown.